Another day, another dollar. Let's talk about JASMY. Let's see what's changed since yesterday. So on the smaller fibs, these fibs right here are basically based off the 1 hour chart. These fibs are based on the daily chart. So just so you guys know that. So right now, oh my, did we really have a spike up to 8 cents today? Or was that was on the 18th? That was yesterday night. Is that accurate? Let me check my Coinbase app and see if that's accurate. I did not realize Jasmine had a spike up to 837. That's insanity. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. I think we did. Yeah, there's a green candle right there. That is insane. So Jasmine had a spike up yesterday, so it did rocket out of here. And that is legit because on the Coinbase chart it says that too. So there's finally some volatility in Jasmine. That's awesome. So what price did we bounce off of? We bounced off 6.4. I was saying 6.5, so I was a little bit off on that support. But overall, that was where we bounced out of with 6.4. I think it had a wick down to 6.35 or just above that, so 6.4 we'll call it was the low. And then if you got in at 6.4, you could have gone out at 8.3. That would have been a nice trade. Obviously, you can't know where the bottom is and where the tops are, but that would have been an awesome trade if you could have done that. So if I do look on the 1 hour chart, it's saying, according to the God fans, we're going to be, that was the top for right now, which makes sense because that just went parabolic for that hour or two. But it's saying the 2 hour chart is bullish. Let me go to the 3 hour chart. So 6 hour chart, yeah, so you're still way below where it would be bullish on the 6 hour chart. Really, you need to be, if you want to be bullish on the 6 hour chart, you have to get back above 9 cents. My next fib, if I go back to the daily time frame on JASMY, is at 236 fib right there at 7.8 cents. And depending on how you drew it, you almost went up to that, which is at 8.5. It says the wick went up to 8.43. You're really close. It looks like the wick went up to 8.4. You were really close to gate. I think it looks like you got rejected off that 0.382 fib on the 1 hour chart. And right now you're consolidating. You didn't hold this as support at the 236 fib, which is at 7.8. And right now you're just back down here at 6.7. So again, 6.5 is going to act as support. I'm sorry, 6.5 is going to act as support. It looks like you could even call it 6.4 because that's where you went down to before you bounced. So we'll call it 6.45 on JASMY. That's where you have support. I don't think you go below that just because you got such a big bounce off that. Although if you do want to look at it like this, so you had one high here, which was at 9.7. You had another high here after a lower move down, which was at 9.3. And then this is actually a lower high here at 8.485. So technically, if you want to look at it like that, it's still bearish on the daily chart, but on the smaller time frames, this was a really nice move to get. Now, obviously, if you go back to the daily chart, the 236 is still up here at 11.5. Until you get above 11.5, you can't really be bullish even on the daily chart. And if you want to be extremely bullish on the daily chart, you have to be above the 618, which is up there at 19.8. So personally, where do I think we're going now? I don't see us going below 6.5 again on JASMY, assuming Bitcoin can hold $42,000, which is barely above right now. Yeah, I don't see Bitcoin having a crazy move yesterday. I just think JASMY went parabolic for a quick minute. But yeah, I don't see us going below 6.5 again. Actually, I'll say 6.4 because that's where you bounced off of last time. I don't see us going below 6.4 on JASMY, and I would still be targeting 7.8 cents again, and then your next target would be 8.5, and then those are the two targets, the upside I'm looking for in the smaller time frames. That's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one.